Howdy folks, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on your Ford Escape. This is for some older models from 2001 up to about 2007. You may have gotten a fob that looks like this. It may only have 3 batteries, it may have 4. Either way, it's the same replaceable battery inside. So the thing you want to do here is you need to separate along these edges here and cut this, not cut it, but essentially separate these 2 pieces to get access to the internal battery. So I like using a small flathead screwdriver and just kind of slowly work your way around the middle of this key and just give the screwdriver just a little turn every time. You kind of work your way around. At the top where the key ring is here, you can get some good leverage there. Just keep working your way around, and this battery isn't glued super tight together, this fob, so you will be able to pop it off here. Just keep working the battery, and then once you're able to get enough leverage here, you'll be able to pop this into 2. And then you can give access to the circuit board and then the replaceable battery, you see. So to get this battery out, just pop it out of its back here. And you can see the battery type is a CR2032. And just make sure that when you put this battery back in, that you put the positive side facing the lettering here, and it even has a nice plus there. It says facing this surface. So make sure that the words, so not like this, plus side away from you, back in there. Go ahead, and if you wanted to super glue around the edges, you could to really keep it tight, but otherwise, pop that back in, and that'll click back together, and now you've replaced the battery for your early Ford Escape, and that's how you do it.